Apospory, the formation of gametophyte from a sporophytic cell without meiosis is called as apospory. This phenomenon was first observed by Duroy 1884 in Ethereum Felix femina. Therefore, it has been established in several pteridophytes, that is Pteridium, Equilinum, Asplenium, Trichlomanis, etc. Induced apospory was seen in Pteris species. Apospory is the development of gametophyte directly from sporophyte without formation of spores. It is also seen in mosses and ferns. Both apospory and apogamy are considered as the abnormalities of plant life cycle. They reproduce by making spores. Antheridia and Archegonia, sexual organs of the plants, are the male and female organs respectively. Eggs in the Archegonia are fertilized by the sperms produced by the Antheridia to produce the zygote. They grow in a wide range of habitats such as rock surfaces, deserts, mountains, and in moist and shady areas. They have leaves, stems and roots, but they do not have flowers. They have specialized leaves known as sporophylls, which produce spores and have fibrous roots. They are vascular plants, that is, they contain xylem and phloem, which helps in the transportation of water and nutrients. Apospory is the formation of a gametophyte from vegetative cells of the sporophyte. When a gametophytic cell, an antherzoid, a rhizoid, a sex organ, etc., originates directly from any vegetative portion of a young or a mature sporophyte, it is also of aposporous origin. Apospory is the development of diploid gametophytes without meiosis and spores from vegetative or non-reproductive cells of the sporophyte. In contrast, apogamy is the development of haploid sporophytes without gametes and syngamy from vegetative cells of the gametophyte. The diploid aposporous gametophytes and the haploid apogamous sporophytes are usually infertile under natural conditions because of disruption of cytological events. Various compensating genetic mechanisms, however, may occur to complete the life history. Parthenogenesis is the formation of haploid embryo directly from an unfertilized egg. Apospory and apogamy occur in bryophytes, pteridophytes and angiosperms, whereas parthenogenesis occurs in ferns and angiosperms. Apogamy is more common in pteridophytes, but apospory is more common in bryophytes. Apogamy and apospory. Sometimes deviation in the regular alteration of generations are noticed in the form of apogamy and apospory. Apogamy is the development of an unusual haploid sporophyte from the gametophyte without the fusion of gametes. The cause of apogamy include aging of the prothallus, failure of sex organ formation and normal fertilization, prothallus growing under bright light and high temperature, etc. Natural apogamy is common in ferns like Drypteris, Adiantum, Osmunda and Pteris. Thanks.